Chickens are an important source of income and food for rural families across Africa. But poultry diseases remain the major constraint in the sector. Many small-scale producers, when faced with such diseases, turn to self-diagnosis and treatment, usually involving treating birds with antibiotics. This approach leads to misuse of antibiotics, leading to antimicrobial resistance, which is an obstacle to the development of the sector and may also impact human health. To deal with this, global animal health companies Ceva and LAPROVET, with support from GALVmed, have set up an innovative approach known as the ONELab initiative in Senegal to offer accurate and effective diagnosis and treatment of poultry.
Avant le laboratoire ONELab, quand on avait des mortalités, le vétérinaire est obligé de tâtonner. Par exemple, il fait l'autopsie, il croit que par exemple c'est telle maladie. Il te fait un traitement et en cours de traitement, tu te rends compte que la mortalité ne baisse pas.
The tests conducted at ONELab, especially their antibiotic sensitivity, is helping farmers and veterinary professionals to make informed decisions about which products to use on the farm and to avoid over-reliance on particular products, especially antibiotics.